What's going on, everyone? It's Chris from Rarefied Frags. Thank you for joining my channel. I really do appreciate it. Today I have a package from Redolessence Perfumes. This is a company that was made by Redolessence, Steven from Redolessence, and Carlos from Brooklyn Fragrance Lover. If you are into fragrance related content, you should know who Carlos is. He passed away last month on February 8th, 2021. And Steve went ahead and finished the project that he and Carlos started on. So they only made 1,000 of these fragrances, and I just happened to be one of the lucky people that get one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see how it smells. Here is protection for it, outside box. It's really nice, very neat wrapping around the packaging. I don't want to damage this. I'm going to slide it out. Here's the box. This is Redolessence Perfumes, Underground Edition, and this is it. EDP, Eau de Parfum, 3.4 ounce, 100 milliliter. In the back it has some more information. Box. Alright. Here's the personally signed card from Steven from Redolessence. It says on here, Underground Edition. The veins of New York City run underground and transport the lifeblood of the metropolis. This energy is the inspiration behind the collaboration among creative directors Steven I'm sorry, I'm gonna mess your last name up. I'm not gonna even say it. From Redolessence and Carlos Powell, Brooklyn Fragrance Lover, and the fragrance experts at the Society of Scent. The brightness of tangerine and ginger captures the spirit of those who breathe vitality into the community. Pink pepper adds its unspoken mystery and aura of intrigue. The composition beautifully concludes with the robustness of patchouli and the vigor of Haitian vetiver. A seductive finish of sultry vanilla, surabsolute, and chocolate create allure and incite a state of olfactory bliss. We thank you for being a part of our journey, underground or otherwise. This limited edition of 1,000 bottles is a tribute to my friend Carlos, who passed away right after we had finished this labor of love, and just before we were able to share it with the world. This is his legacy to the fragrance community, and it is my honor to present to you. Here it is, 939 out of 1,000. Redolessence Perfumes. It's beautiful. And here's the bottle. It's in a foam form-fitting holder to keep the bottle nice and safe and secure. And here's the bottle. This is Redolessence Perfumes. Yep, it's 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounce. Here's the cap. Some more information on the bottom. Very sleek and very modern, looking very simple. Beautiful cap. It's got weight to it. Here's the atomizer. And we're going to give it a spray in the back of my hand. Immediately it came out. Let it dry down. This is beautiful. I smell the pink pepper immediately. Oh, this is beautiful. I have nothing that smells like this. There's lots of tangerine. And it stands firm in the fragrance. It's not like just some top note that just disappears. You can tell it's going to last through the life of the fragrance. I get the Haitian vetiver. It's earthy, clean. Oh, this is beautiful. But that tangerine is standing out. This is lovely. This is one of a kind, and I'm so honored to be able to get one of these bottles. I can't wait to see what the ultimate dry down is. But yeah, it smells very natural. It doesn't smell synthetic. Wow. I'm starting to get a little bit of the chocolate now. And there's like the warmness from the vanilla that's coming out as well. This is very unique. Very beautiful. Wow. Good job, you guys. I really love this. I can't wait to wear it. This is like formal. It's formal smelling. This is something I wear like with maybe like a dress shirt, some nice pants, some Oxford shoes. Yeah. Good job. Good job, man. This is a legacy right here. So that's going to end my short review with Redbrook Parfums Underground Edition. If you guys are into fragrance related content, anything that has to do with scents, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Consider following me, and don't be shy. Comment, converse, message, and that's going to be it for tonight. Everybody stay blessed. Great job, Steven. Great job, Carlos. Rest in peace. And if you smell good, you feel good.